In this quick video, I am going to show you how to export high quality video in CapCut PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now let's say your video is finished and ready to be exported. The first thing you need to do is go up to the top right corner and click on export. You will see a pop-up box with a bunch of settings and I'll walk you through each one so you know exactly how to export your project properly. First up, title your project. I'll just call mine my YouTube video. Next, choose where you want the exported file to be saved. I have a specific folder for all my final videos that I upload to YouTube or other social media platforms, and I highly recommend you to do the same. This keeps everything organized and easy to find. Now let's move on to the video exporting section. The first setting is resolution. Remember, you can only export at the maximum resolution your video was recorded in. If your video was recorded in 1080p, you should export it at 1080p. Exporting to a higher resolution like 4K won't improve your quality, it will just create a larger file. So make sure to export your video on your recorded resolution. For the bitrate, stick with the recommended setting. There is no need to increase it unless you are uploading to YouTube, which supports higher bitrates. For social media, keep it the same as your recording settings. When it comes to the codec, I recommend sticking with H.264. It's widely supported and offers good quality. You can try HEVC for iPhone videos, but I don't usually recommend it. And as for AV1, it compresses files too much, so I avoid it. Next, choose your format, MP4 or MOV. I stick with MP4 because it's widely compatible and works great across different platforms. The frame rate should match your original footage. For instance, if your video was shot at 30 frames per second, export it at 30 fps. Finally, if you want to export just the audio, maybe for a podcast, you can select export audio. Choose your format MP3, WAV or AAC. I prefer MP3 because it's a smaller file size and compatible with most audio services. Once you have selected your settings, hit export. Your video and audio files will be saved in the folder you specified and you are good to go. So this is the process to export high quality videos from CapCut on your PC or laptop. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.